Question number 1. Which shortcut is used to save a Microsoft Word document? Correct answer is Ctrl+S. Question number 2. Which tab is used to change page margin in MS Word? Correct answer is Layout, Page Layout. Question number 3. Which is the default file extension of MS Word 2016? Correct answer is .docx. Question number 4. Which shortcut makes text bold in MS Word? Correct answer is Ctrl+B. Question number 5. Header and footer option is in which tab of MS Word? Correct answer is Insert. Question number 6. Which feature checks spelling mistakes in MS Word? Correct answer is Spell Check, Spelling and Grammar. Question number 7. Line spacing option is located in which group of MS Word? Correct answer is Paragraph group. Question number 8. Shortcut for copy in MS Word. Correct answer is Ctrl+C. Question number 9. Watermark is inserted from which tab in MS Word? Correct answer is Design. Question number 10. To select the entire document in MS Word, which shortcut is used? Correct answer is Ctrl+A. Question number 11. Which shortcut is used to center text in MS Word? Correct answer is Ctrl+E. Question number 12. Mail merge is used for in MS Word. Correct answer is printing letters to multiple people. Question number 13. What is the shortcut key for undo in MS Word? Correct answer is Ctrl+Z. Question number 14. Insert table option is in which tab of MS Word? Correct answer is Insert. Question number 15. Page orientation options in MS Word are of which types? Correct answer is Portrait and Landscape. I hope this video helped you understand and revise the important MS Word MCQs for your exams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on computer MCQs, job test preparation, and important exam questions.